Good morning, students. Welcome to Manual Live Session classes. Today we are going to discuss the assignment of 7th class under the topic kinematics. Let us see the first question in that. The branch of physics which deals with the motion of an object in everyday life is called. Okay. Now here, electronics is a branch of physics which deals with the charges and small components of electronics, right? Hydraulics is a branch of physics which deals with the fluids. Here the spelling mistake is there, you should have P in front of it. So pneumatics is a branch of physics which deals with the fluids like water and air. Okay, but mechanics is a branch of physics which deals with the motion of an object. So our option will be mechanics. Mechanics is the branch of physics which deals with the motion of an object in everyday life. Right? Let us go to the second question here. Second question. If an object does not change its position with respect to surrounding, then it is at. Now, you know that when the object changes its position with respect to surroundings, then we call it as it is moving. So it is in motion, right? Here in the question, they said that it does not change its position, okay? When the object does not change its position, when the object is at rest. So the option will be rest, right? Now let us go to the third question. The length of actual path traveled by a body is called, okay? Now, let us say I want to travel from point A to point B, right? So, if I choose this path to travel from point A to point B, right? So, the length of this path, whatever I choose to travel from point A to point B, is called as distance. It's called as distance. So, the length of actual path, okay? So, I might choose another path. So if I take, this is the distance. So it depends on the path that I choose from point A to point B to cover. Okay, right? So I can take multiple paths. So to reach point B. So it depends the actual path whatever I choose to cover from point A to point B is called as distance. Okay, whatever the distance I covered, right? Now let us go to the fourth question. The shortest distance between 2 points is called. Okay. Now there are 2 points. Let us say point A and point B. Right. So there are so many paths to reach from point A to point B. Okay. But the shortest distance is called as displacement. It's called as displacement. The shortest distance between any 2 points is called as displacement. Okay. It is nothing but distance in a specified direction, right? So next, the last question. Displacement may be, okay? Displacement may be 0. If the body is not moving, the displacement is 0. One of the example of 0 displacement, okay? If the body is moving in a forward direction, then the displacement is positive, okay? If the body is moving in a backward direction, then the displacement is negative, okay? One of the example of negative displacement is, let us say, I started from this point, let us say this is point A, okay? I have travelled to point B, right? And from the point B, again I have travelled back to point C, which is very much behind the A, okay? Now the net displacement is negative, okay? So this is the example of negative displacement, right? So displacement may be 0, positive and negative, all of this. Okay? Right? So this would be our assignment for this week, students. Let us meet in the next assignment. Thank you everyone.